today are probably best well known for their flying ability, but this is not the only area in which they thrive. They are masters of the land and the water, and can even be found in some of the coldest places on the planet. Although these abilities are rather impressive, the dinosaurs today are not as threatening as their ancestors. Despite this, there are some rather powerful birds, and there are definitely some species that have the potential to kill a person. In today's video, I will be going through some of these dangerous birds, as I'll be going through 5 of the most dangerous birds on the planet. And for our first species, we'll be heading over to Africa, as we have the ostrich. Now I say the ostrich, but there are actually 2 species, the Somali ostrich and the common ostrich. In today's video, I will be focusing on the common ostrich, as it is the larger of the 2 birds. The ostrich is part of a diverse group of flightless birds known as the ratites. This group contains some other famous members, such as emus, rheas and kiwis. Of course, the ostrich is larger than these birds, and it is the largest bird in the world, maxing out at around 2.8 meters in height. Ostriches are normally found in semi-arid habitats, and they are perfectly adapted to these areas. They have long eyelashes to keep the sand out of their eyes, and they can survive up to 2 weeks without water. They get most of their moisture from their diet, which is mostly made out of plant matter, insects and lizards. Like many other birds, the ostrich is not the smartest of creatures. Famously, its eyes are bigger than its brain, but what it lacks in smarts, it makes up for in athleticism. Their long powerful legs mean that they can sprint at speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, and they can cover almost 5 meters in a single stride. Unsurprisingly, these powerful legs also make them very dangerous, as one kick from an ostrich can kill a human, and it can also kill a lion. Although ostrich attacks on humans are very rare, one rather surprising victim was Johnny Cash. Johnny Cash had a farm in Tennessee, and on this farm he had a few pet ostriches. One day, one of his male ostriches was very mad at him and decided to attack. Cash was armed with a 6-foot stick, but this did little to deter the bird. The ostrich managed to land a kick, and this broke 2 of his lower ribs and ripped his stomach open down to his belt. Cash eventually managed to scare the ostrich away, and he admitted that he was very lucky to be alive. So I think this story just goes to show how dangerous these large birds really can be. But for our next species, we'll be heading to Central and South America, as we have the harpy eagle. The harpy eagle is the largest and most powerful raptor found throughout its range, and is among the largest extant species of eagles in the world. These birds typically prefer rainforest habitats, and tend to nest close to the ground. This not only keeps them well hidden, but also gives them a perfect view of their prey.